This is In the Wild with Chris. I'm at Ingbo Källor outside Uppsala in Sweden. This is a freshwater spring that I'm gonna go snorkeling in to see what I can find. The water here is about 4 to 7 degrees centigrade, so around 39 to 44 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll see how long I can last in my wetsuit. Ingbo Källor is a freshwater spring and the water is very clear. The pool isn't very big, and at its deepest it's about 4 meters deep. The spring pumps out about 50 liters per second, or 4.5 million liters per day. At the shallow end of the pool there's a lot of algae and you can see some fish, mainly char, or in Swedish, bäckröding. Well, that was an interesting dive. Pretty neat to see the spring bubbling up through the sand, and a couple of fish, but mostly just cool experience. Quite cold. Surface temperature is about 12 degrees right now, but the bottom is about 4 degrees. So I can feel my lips go numb down there. Well, hope you enjoyed this. Till next time, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.